Hi children, now we are going to learn to write cursive writing small letters. Cursive writing small letters is very important. If you know the formation correctly, you can join the letters easily and then your writing or copying or whatever will become very easy. Okay? Single letters are difficult, but we are learning cursive. So the joining should be correct. Now let's learn small letters. Okay? Small cursive writing. Remember, the formation should be perfect. Then only when you write in your notebook, it comes correctly. Look, our first letter, small letter L, we will write it between the two blue lines. Look, there is a beginning and the end for the every letter. Look, we begin small letter A like this, goes up, comes down and again goes up halfway. Look, we write it like this, come down, join it and like this. Look again, we write, we go up, write it again like this. Okay, look, up, down, up and halfway. Look, up, down, up, halfway. This is small letter A. What's the sound? A. Look carefully. We're going to learn to write B. Cursive writing, B. We begin the B from here, goes up like this. All right? Now, look, B. We begin from the bottom line, blue line, go right up, come down. This is letter B. From the second blue line, goes up, right up, and then a loop like it. The mouth should be open here. Look, we begin to go right up, come down, and like this. B. Letter B goes right up, come down, and there should be a mouth for it. All right? B. What's the sound of B? Ba. Next is C. K. C begins from the second blue line, goes up, something like A, but mouth open. Now, C goes like this, and that's it. C goes up, comes down, open. Goes up, comes down, open. Goes up, comes down, open. That is letter C, K. Next, letter D, D sound. D again begins on this, something like A, only to go up and come down. If you not write A, D is easy. Look, something like A, but goes right up and comes down. Something like A, goes right up, comes down. That is D. Look, just like A, go up, come down. This is letter D. Next is letter E. What's the sound? E. E is very easy letter. Look, begin from the down. This is E. That's it. E. E. Very easy, isn't it? Now letter F. Letter F, we will use all four lines. Something like B, but comes right down. Okay? Now, F goes right up, comes right down. That's F. We use all the four lines. Look, from the second blue line, goes right up, comes right down, halfway through, we make a loop. Again, from the bottom blue line, goes right up, comes down, and make a loop. Look, from this bottom line, goes right up, come right down. This is letter F. We used all the four lines. If you know to write B, F is easy. Which is our next letter after S? G. G. G is something like A, but you come right down, touch the red line. That's all. Look, the G is like A, but comes right down. That's it. G is like A, comes right down, and that is G. Look, G is just like A, comes right down. That is G. Remember, G is like A, comes down, and that's it. Next is H. What's the sound of H? Good. H is something like B. Look now. H, we begin from here, goes up, come down, and that is H. Look carefully. Blue line goes right up. H. Look. From the blue line goes up. H. What's the next letter? I. E. I is also very easy. Look carefully. From the bottom blue line goes up and a dot here. I. I is very easy, isn't it? I. Okay? I. What's the next letter? J. Georgia. Shall we write J? J is just like I, but come down, touch the red line. J, go up, come right down. That's it. Go up, come right down. J. Up, down, J. All right? J. All right? So what did we learn? We learned small letters. Yes? A to J. Now, some letter touch all the line. Which is that letter? Letter F. B touches the top, D touches the top. And H touches the top. But here J touches the bottom red line. We'll do letter K. What's the sound of K? Kite, kite. Now K is something like H. K, but there should be a loop. Look carefully, just like H. From here, go up, come down. That's K. Look carefully. From here, go right up, but there is a small loop after that. Look, from here, go right up. Yes? Good. Go from here, go right up. And there's for handwriting, you need to practice a lot. You need to do a lot of little practice. Only then our writing will become perfect. Practicing small letters is very important. We have to join. When we join A and B together, we will learn soon. Okay? Now we'll go on to our next letter.